Hey everyone, it's Dion with Nano Cravings and welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be a real treat. Haha, if you get that pun, because we're doing a spooky Halloween themed cake. Yes, that's right, we're doing a Halloween themed cake with the marshmallow spider webs. So now today's cake is actually a order from a client. It's a birthday cake, but they also said they wanted it to be Halloween themed, and I said, cool, I can knock that out for you. And the color scheme they wanted was, of course, obviously black incorporated into it, but they said, you know, they still kind of wanted girly but Halloween themed, working with the other colors, which happens to be gold and rose gold. And to help me achieve that color, I use AmeriColor soft gel paste food coloring called Dusty Rose. Like, this color right here is like the best one you can use to try to help get you to that rose gold color. But you'll see once I put the cake all together. And now it's time for the fun part, which is putting this cake together. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll throw up a link below, a link above, and put a link in the description box below to my previous videos of, you know, how to complete a cake order and make the ganache. Because how we're going to assemble this cake is, in between each layers, once I frost it, I'm going to apply this milk chocolate black ganache. All right, so let's get to it. So with the cake all layered now, let's apply the crumb coat. And you already know how this process is, so we can just go ahead and speed right through it. Okay, and with the crumb coat set, it's been sitting in the fridge. Let's go ahead and apply the final layer, and I will show you this. So it looks light pink right there. I'm two-toning the cake, so the inside is going to be the light pink, and the outside is going to be that heavy rose gold color. See? Well, dusty rose. All right, well, let's frost it. So now it's all coated, and just know, for this cake, it doesn't have to be a perfect, you know, smooth coat, because when we do it with the spider webs, the marshmallow spider webs, it's going to really cover a lot of your imperfections or like stuff you get messed up. And that's one of the good things about the cake. The spider webs will cover up any mistake you might have made. And then plus, you got to understand, this is a fun cake we're making, a fun Halloween cake. All right, so I'm about to throw this back in the fridge for about another 20 to 30 minutes. Let this crust up, and then it'll be marshmallow time. And now it is marshmallow time. And so now to make the cobweb for the cake, what you do is you take your marshmallows, you put them into a bowl, and you do 30-second intervals in the microwave until your marshmallows are melted. Don't burn them, just heat them up to the point to where they're melted. Alright, so let me go slap this in the microwave and I'll be right back. Okay, marshmallows are all melted now, and see how elasticy it's getting? See that? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hands, and you're gonna pull. You know, you're gonna get it all in between your fingers, and you're gonna stretch out and pull and stretch around the cake. And so now you gotta make sure that the marshmallows are cool enough to where hey, you can work with them with your hands, and also cool enough to the point to where it can go on the cake, because you don't want the hot marshmallows melting your frosting. And I would say that these are pretty cool down, and you can see how tough it's getting to work it. That's the consistency, the elasticity. I think I just butchered it. The elasticity that you want, and this is what you want to work with. And there we go. Marshmallow spiderwebs all on the cake. And if you're wondering who the third hand was, that was my mom's hand helping me out. Because as you saw how sticky, and I finally got it all off my hands, or somewhat how sticky the marshmallow was. But cobweb spider cake. But I'm still not done decorating it. We're gonna add just a little bit more. But about to pop this back in the fridge for a couple more minutes, let this stiffen back up, and we'll be good to go. And it's now time to decorate the top of this cake, and we're gonna decorate the top of this cake by adding some black frosting. Just gonna do a simple little board around the top, and we're gonna add on these cute little, I can't believe I just said cute, but cute little spiders. Come on, focus. Hold up. There we go. These cute little black spiders, which is what I bought from, of course, you should already know, Mary Carter's. And these nice little pink skulls. Well, pink and black. Pink and black skulls. But we're gonna do something special to those skulls, and you'll see in just a second. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, that's looking way better right there. I like the way that this is going. So now let's add on the little spiders. And all you're gonna do is just simply press them in like that. You can put them on different places. I plan on putting a couple throughout the cake. Like, I'll probably press one in right there. I'll do another one over here. Oops, and I bumped the camera. I'll put one right there. And I'm gonna put this little guy, because I'll probably plan on making this the front of the cake right here. I'll probably, where should I put him? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Should I put him on top, put him right there, or? You know what? Let's do another spider crawling. So we will put him about right there. Yeah, acting as if there's spiders crawling on it. And that's good. You got these little spiderweb rings too. Just something to help tie the cake in and make it nice. All you gotta do is just put them up here. Press that down in. Can do another one over here. Press him on in. Oh yeah, it's looking real nice. That's enough on them decorations. And now let's do these skulls. And how I'm going to do these skulls is, remember the theme I said was pink, rose gold, black, and gold. Well, since I got pink and black skulls right here, I'm going to paint them using, of course, you should already know my favorite, Imperial Gold Luster Dust, and my brand new luster dust that I recently acquired that I've wanted to use, Imperial Rose Gold. At first, I was always using just regular designer luster rose gold, and I'm gonna be honest, that one doesn't really spread that well. But since there isn't I'm sorry, y'all. Since there is an imperial version of it now, I just know it's gonna be fantastic. So see, I'm so excited just to get to it. Now let me go ahead and paint these. Alright, and there you have it. One cake decorated. Now I'm about to throw this back in the fridge for like another 10 minutes. Let this stiffen up. Like, you know, I like my frosting to be stiff. After every stage that I do, I like to throw my cakes back in the fridge and make sure everything all stiff is up and holds together. So I'll come right back and then I'll show you the finished product. Well, alright everyone, there you have it. My version of a Halloween birthday cake. We have one rose gold spiderweb cake, accented with chocolate skulls, spiders. What more could you ask for a Halloween cake, especially the spiderweb part? Now this is something that I really enjoy doing, especially the spiderweb part. At first I didn't know if I was going to be able to pull that off, but I did. And now look at it. And I hope you can take this idea yourself and able to do something with it. And now, believe it or not, I'm actually not done decorating this cake. I just wanted to show y'all how to make a spiderweb cake. But honestly, like I said, this was an order for a birthday cake, and it's actually a cake I'm surprising my friend with. But if you want to see that, stay tuned for the next video and see how this cake is really going to look for her. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smack that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Well, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.